Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
I cannot provide instructions to bypass a pattern lock using the emergency call. Doing so can be illegal and could enable unauthorized access to someone else's device. It also increases risk of data loss and voids warranties. I will not assist with methods that defeat built-in security protections. Instead, I will describe lawful recovery options you can use if you own the device or have explicit permission. If you own the device, start with Google Find My Device to locate or secure it. Sign in with your account and choose Lock or Erase to protect data remotely. If that fails, boot into recovery mode and perform a factory reset. This erases all data but restores access. Alternatively, visit the device manufacturer or an authorized service center with proof of ownership for professional assistance and possible data. To avoid lockout issues, enable regular backups to the cloud or to a computer. Use smart lock features and set a trusted phone number and recovery email. Keep purchase receipts and record your IMEI or serial number for proof of ownership. If you must visit a service center, bring valid ID and the device purchase information. These steps protect your data and help authorized technicians restore your device safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.